Blake Lively responds to Justin Baldoni's attorney's proposal to broadcast testimony. Publicly, sources close to Blake Lively have firmly rejected a bold suggestion from Justin Baldoni's legal representative, Brian Friedman, who proposed that Lively's testimony in their ongoing legal dispute be publicly broadcast at Madison Square Garden. This provocative idea surfaced after Lively's attorney confirmed her readiness to testify under oath in the forthcoming trial related to her allegations against Baldoni, her co-star in the film It Ends With Us. The legal conflict has garnered significant attention due to the high-profile nature of both parties and the serious nature of the claims involved. Friedman, representing Baldoni, suggested to TMZ that Lively's testimony could be live-streamed at the iconic New York venue, with proceeds directed to support survivors of domestic abuse. If Blake Lively is truly committed to sharing her testimony with the public, let's broadcast it live from Madison Square Garden and donate the proceeds to those affected by domestic challenges, Friedman stated. This proposal was framed as a way to bring transparency to the case while supporting a charitable cause. However, insiders from Lively's team emphasized to TMZ that the legal proceedings are a serious matter, not a publicity opportunity, underscoring their commitment to addressing the allegations through the judicial process. DailyMail.com has reached out to representatives and legal teams for both Lively, aged 37, and Baldoni, aged 41, for further comment on the matter. The suggestion from Friedman came in response to a statement from Lively's attorney, Mike Gottlieb, who confirmed to People magazine that Lively is prepared to testify in court. The courtroom is the ultimate platform for a plaintiff to share their story, and we anticipate that will happen here, Gottlieb explained. He emphasized that Lively's testimony is a standard expectation in such cases, given her role as the plaintiff. Gottlieb also addressed rumors that prominent figures close to Lively, such as Taylor Swift or Hugh Jackman, might be called to testify, dismissing their relevance to the case. This legal matter centers on Blake Lively's experiences and the claims she raised regarding inappropriate conduct on the set of It Ends With Us. It does not involve unrelated topics like song selections for the film or fictional characters from other projects, he clarified. Gottlieb further noted that issuing subpoenas to celebrities simply for their fame, in an attempt to generate media attention, is not permissible in federal court. Regarding whether Lively's husband, Ryan Reynolds, might testify, Gottlieb indicated that this remains uncertain, as Reynolds is currently named in a countersuit filed by Baldoni. Lively's legal team is actively working to have those claims dismissed, arguing they lack merit. Friedman, in response, accused Gottlieb of attempting to shift focus away from the core issues of the case. The truth is not a diversion, Friedman told People. He claimed that Baldoni's position is supported by unaltered communications, official documents, and authentic footage that will be presented in court. Friedman further alleged that Lively involved her high-profile connections, including Swift and Reynolds, in the dispute, referencing text messages where Lively reportedly referred to these individuals as her protectors. In these messages, Lively allegedly compared herself to Khaleesi, a character from Game of Thrones, stating that her protectors support her in her endeavors. Friedman also raised questions about Reynolds' involvement, suggesting that evidence points to intentional misconduct, and even questioning whether Disney, a major stakeholder in Reynolds' projects, may have allowed corporate resources to be misused in pursuit of personal disputes. It would be surprising if such actions did not lead to further scrutiny for those involved, Friedman added. The legal battle stems from a complaint Lively filed in December with the California Civil Rights Department, followed by a federal lawsuit against Baldoni. In her filings, Lively, known for her role in Gossip Girl, accused Baldoni of inappropriate behavior during the production of It Ends With Us, including actions that made her feel uncomfortable and efforts to undermine her reputation through coordinated media strategies. Baldoni has denied these allegations, asserting that Lively misrepresented their professional interactions and the context of their communications. Lively's lawsuit also named Baldoni's production company, Wayfarer Studios, along with its CEO, a financial backer, and public relations personnel, including Melissa Nathan and Jennifer Abel. In a statement to the New York Times the day after filing her complaint, Lively expressed hope that her legal action would shed light on retaliatory tactics used to silence those who speak out about workplace misconduct. "I hope my efforts help protect others who may face similar challenges," she said. In response, Baldoni filed a $250 million defamation lawsuit against the New York Times over a December 21st article titled "Inside a Hollywood Smear Machine," which he claims misrepresented the situation. The newspaper has stood by its reporting. Additionally, on January 16th, Baldoni filed a $400 million lawsuit against Lively Reynolds and Lively's publicist, Leslie Sloan, alleging defamation and attempts to pressure him through false claims. The fallout from Lively's complaint has had professional repercussions for Baldoni. He faces a separate lawsuit from a former publicist and was dropped by WME, the talent agency that also represents Lively and Reynolds. WME has denied allegations that Lively and Reynolds influenced their decision to end their relationship with Baldoni, according to Variety. Both parties' legal teams have agreed to consolidate the federal lawsuits into a single case to streamline the proceedings. It Ends With Us, directed by Baldoni and starring Lively alongside Jenny Slate, Hassan Minhaj, Brandon Sklenar, and Kevin McKidd, was a box office success upon its release on August 9th. Adapted from Colleen Hoover's 2016 novel, the film grossed $148 million domestically and $350 million worldwide per Box Office Mojo. The story, which addresses themes of resilience and personal growth, resonated with audiences, contributing to its commercial performance. Blake Lively rose to prominence with her role in The Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants, 2005. Alongside Amber Tamblyn, Alexis Bledel, and America Ferrera. This breakout role paved the way for her starring role as Serena van der Woodsen in Gossip Girl, 2007 to 2012, which solidified her status as a household name. Her film credits include The Town, 2010, The Shallows, 2016, A Simple Favor, 2018, and The Rhythm Section, 2020. Showcasing her versatility as an actress. Justin Baldoni, prior to It Ends With Us, was best known for his role as Raphael Solano in Jane the Virgin, 2014 to 2019. He has also made a name for himself as a director, helming 5 Feet Apart, 2019, and Clouds, 2020, both of which explored themes of love and perseverance. Additionally, Baldoni authored Man Enough, 2021, a book that challenges traditional notions of masculinity and encourages open conversations about identity. The legal dispute between Lively and Baldoni continues to unfold, with both sides preparing for a courtroom showdown. As the case progresses, it raises broader questions about workplace dynamics in the entertainment industry and the mechanisms available to address grievances. For now, Lively's team remains focused on presenting her case in court, while Baldoni's team insists that the evidence will vindicate their client. The outcome of this high-stakes legal battle will likely have significant implications for both parties and may influence how similar cases are handled in the future.